Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am having fun with clay.
Yes, today Zayan and Zaid are having fun with clay. Hello Zaid. Hi. Are you ready for activity?
Okay.
Okay. Zaid, what color is this?
Okay.
And okay, tell me what color is this? Blue. What color is this? Tell me again, what color is this? Pink. And what color is this?
White. कौन सा कलर है? Green. और ये white. ये कौन सा कलर है? Black. ये अंदर का orange.
Sit with cross-legged. Yes, sashay. Just like Zayan. Zaid, fold your arms. Good. Okay, now Zaid, you please tell me what color is this?
Blue.
Blue. And what color is this? This one? Gray. And this one? Blue. And this one? Green. Yes, Zayan, start making. What are you making? Hand. Press it properly. Yes. Press it more properly. Zaid, what is this? Handy. Yes, this is hand. Zayan, show me. Okay, put it over there.
Okay. No.
Good job. So make your next thing.
Okay.
What are you going to make now? Square. Okay.
No.
Press it properly. Yes. Zaid, what are you making? Circle. Zaid, what are you making? Zaid Ahmad? Circle. Zaid, tell me again, what shape is this? Circle. Yes. Show me, Zayan. Good. And what shape is this? Circle. What shape are you making? Okay. Zaid, tell me, what shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this? Zaid, tell me, what shape is this? Zaid. Zayan, you tell me please, what shape is this? Zayan, tell me. Zayan, what are you making now? Show me. What is this? Ball. Wow. Zaid, look it. What is this? Ball. So put it over here. These are the objects. Yes. Zaid, what is this? Aeroplane. Press it properly. Nice. Now pick it up. उठाओ इसको जल्दी से. This is flower. Zed, show me. Zed, ये क्या है? Flower, flower. Yes, now it is nice.
This is flower.
Wow, nice. Oh, Zed, this is snake. What is this? Snake. What is this? Then are you making plane? Zed, what are you making? Zed, what is this? Wow, nice. What is this?
Plane.
Yeah, it's aeroplane.
Mom, baby, out of tin.
Yes, you can also make aeroplane, Zed. Press it properly, Zed.
ये ब्रश कर दो।
Yes, yes, help.
अल्लाह तो मैं ब्रश कर देता हूँ। आप निकाल लेना फिर।
Yes, Jan, take it out. Press it from behind. Yes, good boys. Zed, look it. Okay, now it's done now.
इधर कर लो। इधर मैं आपको बॉल बना के दे देता हूँ। आप उसे इधर कर लो।
Zed. Hello, Zed.
Hi, Amma.
Zed, look at me. Zed, look at Amma.